Hello, friends. This is Shadrach. Today's sessions how to build dynamic static web pages through React.js. It is very easy. Every code, no need to write down. Codes are available in some third-party libraries are available. We need to install the third-party libraries and develop the applications. So here, before going to learn web applications, so we have now some terminology. So code, how to make code, what is a container, what is fluid, what is button, what is form, what is table. We need to understand one by one. Right. So once we discuss, if you everyone is knows, then you leave it. So first of all, go to the any project location. So we React project and going to cmd command prompt open. So here Node.js is already available. Node.js is available. npm create vite at the rate of latest. This is a command for building the project. Yes, project name. So I want to college my project name, some other college, right? So choose the framework, React.js as a framework. Now I'm choosing the JavaScript. Again, I'm choosing the JavaScript. Again, cd college. We're going to the work locations. Work location. We need to, that is cd. Once it's done, do the npm install. We need to install the npm install. That means node modules. We have to install. It's installing. It's installing. It is installing. It take time. It take time. Yes, almost is done. So it's depends on our network speed and everything. And once it's done, now I'm going to check the browser npm run dev for opening the browser purpose. So everything is there. H plus enter, O plus enter. So okay, yes, it's open like this. Now again, that is that once it done automatically one application is done. So control C plus Y. Now you go into code space dot, and Visual Studio Code is opening. Once it's done, so go to src app.css is there, except root. You have to remove that remaining part. CSS we need to apply, and index.js also we need to apply. We need to need to delete. So save it, and app dash also control S is save it, and go to app.js. Here is what are the showing the application is in this code. So once take the div, one div I'm taking, in between div one you are able to write. So div is closed and h1 tag. So college is our second house. Second house. Okay, I think so. You understand, and now save it. Now again go to command prompt. So again we need to npm run dev. Once is code we need to change first time. We need to again h plus and o plus. Yes, college our second house is open. Its background is black. Now I want to change that going to the code index.js. It is I'm changing the color index.js. I'm changing the color. So it is that background color is I'm using white is better, and this color is text color. I'm using the black. Control S. Now go and see. Yes, college is our saying, and perfectly is done. So now after this, we have to add some third-party packages, that is tailwind CSS and flowbite. So going to that browser, any browser, otherwise I'm going to any other browser. We need to type flowbite. So this is that automatically one of the best front-end library, and okay, get started. So introduction, first we need to install some third-party packages. So the React, I'm applying here React. Mm. So we need to install, first we need to install Tailwind CSS and Force CSS, and we need to install this one. We need to install this both. Control C, init also we need to install. Come to that command prompt, Control C and Y, as it's okay. And we need to Control V, that paste anyway, and it's automatically working. Yes, it's done. Init also, yes, and it's also over. So after this, go to that next flowbite auto we need to install. Then npm install flowbite, and one more flowbite react. We need to install the both flowbite and flowbite hyphen react. We need to install that flowbite and flowbite react also. Yes, it's working, and it is taking time. So once it's done, and go to that React.js workspace. Mm. Here index.js, we need to go to mm, so this three is important: tailwind base and tailwind CSS. Control C. We need to paste to here. and save it. Coming to the tailwind configurant, in that context, we need to, two is important, that things I will explain from here on is available. That content level, we need to take this is src and jx files. We have to mention to here. That is everything as it is you should mention. And one more flowbite node models also there. Flowbite node modelers. Once is done, install it is over. This is that plugin. This is we need to take from the content. We need to up paste to here. It's done. And flowbite plugin is required. Take Control C and come to here and paste it. It's a plugin. Yes. So everything is perfectly done. Save it. This is now coming to this tailwind. You have a tailwind CSS. For example, I'm going to that. It's working on fine or not. I'm checking. Going to that app.jss. So here class name I'm writing here. Background means bg hyphen black. Black already is there, no? Therefore, blue hyphen, that is weight also I'm showing. Yes, it's okay. Save it. Now go to command prompt. Is working fine or not? We need to check. So what to take, that is npm run and dev. Also, once we install the thoughtpad libraries, again we need to type. Again go plus enter. See here. Yes, college is our second house, background I shown. So this is the specialty. So no need to write the CSS, short forms are there. So when the padding you want, so that is padding p hyphen, I'm writing 3. So we want to text size large, I want text hyphen LG or 2XL write on. Okay. So you want to bold, font bold. So these are the many things we need to know from that, right? Once you see it here, yes, text is bold and it is padding and is everything is given. Now I want to change the color. So here always this text is given, but I want to change the text color is white. I'm giving to here. Text color is white. Now check that what is the process. Yes, is perfectly is working. So I think clear up to here by using the tailwind CSS. And if you want to that background is some rounded, so we need to write that is rounded hyphen that is 1XL is better. 1x no is XL is better. See what happened, that is yes, that is border it comes to rounded. Okay, so these are that factors. You want to the shadow also should mention shadow everything. So by doing is perfectly okay. Now, so if you want to easy the code, now go to the flow byte. It is the flow byte. So what you want, you have to think. So if you want that nav bars, so here nav bars are available. Nav bars are available. Footers are available. If I'm seeing the footer, so the designs are available to here. Designs are available. So for example, I'm choosing that design is like this. I want to that design is like this. So this is background something. Okay, it is not good. Okay, this is we need to change the background also, no worry. And this is I'm taking